Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you seeing such? Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction when creating the account in your screen. If you are facing such problem, I'll tell you what to do to solve this issue. So let's begin. Go to your all the way down to contacts. Tap on the contact section and click on accounts. Now tap on add account. Choose iCloud. Click on create a new Apple ID, and now what you have to do is you have to create a new Apple ID by filling all the details that has been asked here in the screen. After doing this, your problem will be solved. If not, then the next solution that I'll give you is that you have to go to a web browser and search for Apple ID support. Tap on the first link that appears and then you have to choose the device that you need support for. I have chosen the iPhone. Now scroll all the way down till you see a search bar. In the search bar, you have to type customer support number or customer service contact. After you type that, you will reach to a new section where you will find the customer support number which is suitable or available for your country. Choose the link that belongs to your country and then contact on the number that you have been given. Once you call on the number, explain them your problem in details. They will help you solve your problem. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.